Hello guys, it's Maisa and today I am going to show you new student Sloth and then this is a highly requested video from Yuri the Lalaloopsy lover, but remember he loves sloths. And then subscribe for more videos. So I'm going to get Sloth from the grocery store. And sorry about the kids. They're playing, huh? Oh, and let's go to the supermarket. But maybe Zeke is the keeper. Let's start it. Okay. Alright, Sloth, it's your first day of school. What? No, I don't want to go to school. I wanna stay here at home. But you know, Sloth, it's too late. Well, then go to school now. Fine. you Sloth! Ow! Sorry about that. X-ray. I will throw the pillow on your head. Sorry about this. XD. Let's go to the dogs and cats school. I think it's the bow. And then okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, we meet the new student. It's Sloth. Hello, my name is Sloth and I would like to be slow. Ew, why does she have brown skin and why does he had long nails? Funny bloopers. That's enough, paper bag cat. I'm so sorry, Sloth. You can sit here beside cotton candy. Okay, partner time. Yay! Okay. Miss, I am class girl. I don't have a partner. It's okay. You can join the dogs. You can join Doggy and Doggy. Okay. Hello, Doggy and Doggy. Can I join you? Yes. No. Quiet, Doggy. He is a sloth and I don't want him to join. Wahaha. Doggy, how could you if you started bullying Sloth? That's it. I am going to send you to the principal's office. What? No. I wanted to be here in the whole class. But remember, stay with me in your lives. Hey, you. Oh no, Principal Rita is gone. Oh, she's here. Bad dogs and cats dead. Alright. Hey, you. Goes back to Miss I am class teachers. teacher class. I'm so sorry, Sloth. You can stay here beside Doggy. Okay. But well done. Coming October 30, we will have a special Halloween party. Yay! I wanted to be a witch. I would like to be a candy. Me too. We will be will be magicians. Yes. I wanted to be a ghost. Me too. Okay, at the principal's office. Doggy, how could you if you started bullying? Bullying. Sloth. That's it. I am going to lock you off. Lock you up. Hey, don't lock him up. Breaks with us. Stop it. Then locks him up. No, help me. We will play games on laptop. Place to last on the computer. There, she's busy. I told you didn't have to escape. Oh no. Place again. Let's go escape. Bye bye, Principal Nori. Bye bye. Bye bye, Principal Rita and Nori. I'm back. Hey, why? How could you if you escape the principal's office? You should go in there. I'll take you to timeout. OMG, timeout is boring, and you can't play with all those bones. Sorry about that, class, and thank you for watching.